so this is what I did on the holidays. Okay, so I built a train with my dad, and we had this control switch. So it sits like that, and then you can go like this, so that's forward and reverse. And here's the key for to turn it off and on. Here's the what makes it run. And here's the motor down under the chair. See the motor? There's a resettable switch. And there's the batteries for it. And now it's good. And then also there's the front here. Me and my dad just did this today. Okay, so that's the front now. Now I'm gonna drive it forwards. So it's in reverse right now. I'll just put it on a different one. So let's turn the key on. Now I'm gonna go. See, it's driving. Cool. Bye. But you have to watch out for the tree because that would hurt your hand. Yeah. And right. And now for the brake bit, you have to go in reverse and stop like that. And then you see that the wheel actually does spin, so we had to do that to it so it wouldn't spin like that. And we need to make more tracks, so I'm going to get out of it, leave it there, turn the key off, take it with me. I really like keys. Come over here, and then you can see I drive over this thing, but I don't suppose because I need to put some sleepers under it, which are these blocks, and this is track. Well, I have tons of track, but I don't have much sleepers. This is a really big sleeper, so I keep that there so I don't drive over it. But one time it's not really stable there, so I have to go to the sometimes I go over it and drive over to there. But if that comes over there, off the tracks onto there, the track will lift up, and then we'll have to put it back into there. Okay, so now I'm going to go on reverse. So, see, we haven't done this side yet. We're going to do it, but this is just a test run, right? A test and a proper thing. And the roof is going to be that high. No, but actually it's going to be like that and then go like that. So this is going to be covered with the roof there. That's supposed to be seen. And there's a lot of electricals. And brother just went on here and that blue wire came out. That's why it stopped. So now I'm going to go in reverse, turn it on, reverse. And see, I'm going in reverse. Bye!